All right, so I really want to get in here and take a good look at this calendar that we have from Madam Glam for our Advent season. Let me get this open here. It's a beautiful box to begin with, very heavy. And I hear that everything in it is nice, full-size bottles of gel. Let's get this open. Okay. Here we go. Oh, look how pretty that is. Yeah, that is gorgeous. I love it. And let's see, on the back, let me read it to you here. It says, Madam Glam, New York, your Advent story in 12 chapters. Once upon a time, in the land adorned with sparkling snowflakes and twinkling lights, there was a magical Advent calendar waiting to be unveiled. Inside lay 12 limited edition, full-size soak-off gel colors, each more enchanting than the other one. From the shimmering glow of frosted crystal to the cozy warmth of fireside embrace, every hue holds the promise of festive joy and holiday glamour. As the days of December unfold, so do the tales of transformation, as nails sparkle with the brilliance of the Christmas evening sky. Join us on the journey of enchantment with our glamorous Advent calendar, where every color tells a story of winter's beauty and holiday dreams come true. The end. And of course, they've got their little symbols down here that let you know that they are vegan, cruelty-free, palm oil-free, 21-free formula, and HEMA-free. All right, so let's open her up and just kind of get a look of what she looks like, right? We're not going to get into the actual gifts inside yet. Here we go. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Where's my 5? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And you just pop these open. I want to open it so bad, but we're not going to. Not yet. Oh, that's so nice. So nice. Okay. There's a little sneak peek, and we will come back and do another video where we actually open each day so you can see what is inside.